History Month. The organizer. Hello, sweetheart. Welcome to Julie Juu TV.
Thank you, Julie Juu. Happy to be here.
Same to you, darling. I want you to mention your name and tell us who is Nana.
Thank you, Julie Juu. Thank you for coming. My name is Nana Ofori-Attah Oguntola. So I am half Ghanaian. And so in Milton Keynes here, I am a city councillor, I am a filmmaker, I am an author, and I organize events, especially events that elevate the black community. They give the black community a platform in the city. And that's one of the reasons why I have organized this in the city of Milton Keynes.
I remember early this year you organized some award. So after this event, what next?
Hey, can I rest? People are already asking me what the next event is. I just want to finish this one. I am not sure because right now I am just too tired to think. I know that originally I wanted to do an award ceremony in January, but we shall see. We shall see.
She's very strong woman. She's very, very strong woman. She is the one that did that award, Black Excellency Award. She is the one that did it. And she organized this big program also. That is why I asked her, what next? What do you want to tell people?
Well, what I want to say is it's very important for us as black people to continue to support one another. Look, you are here now, right? We need to believe in ourselves. And one thing that's very important is understanding our history and our past, who we are. We need to understand that so that we can have a mindset where we know that we are as good as anyone and we can strive for excellence, strive to support each other, strive to grow, strive to develop, strive to be everything that we can be on this planet because we are an amazing, amazing people. And I think that by knowing who we are better placed to serve others, to be better contributors to our community. So I'm very pleased to be here, very pleased to have done this today. I am very, very happy because I see all these exhibitors. This exhibition is growing. This is the 3rd edition. The first time we started with 20. And then last year we had like 54. Today I have over 60 people, like 64, 65 people. I have no space at all for anyone else. So really, really happy about the growth of it. And I know that we'll grow even more next year. So very excited, yeah.
So what do you want to tell people in case you're doing it next year, people you want them to come?
So I'll say keep an eye out. Join me on maybe my Instagram or my LinkedIn, or connect with Julie Juu. Make sure you register to exhibit next year. And also, whatever events I'm having, Julie Juu would know about it, so you can come. Tomorrow I have a book launch. I'm launching my new book. Will this be out by then? No. Okay, anyway, I have a new book. It's called 21 African Queens that every young girl should know about. It's about black history, black queens, because I believe that if we know our history, we know our strength, we know our power. So thank you very much, Julie. That's I think what I have to say. And I'm very happy that we're here because it centers black presence in Milton Keynes. Because in Milton Keynes, us as black people, we contribute so much to this city. We don't come to exploit. We don't come to just take. We give, we serve, we contribute. So it's very important that we are in the middle of the city, that the entire city can see us and know what we do in this place, right? So we're not hidden. Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, Nana. You know, when somebody see your name and you don't understand our tree, they say, this woman, did she married a Ghanaian man or... You understand?
All right, I was born in Ghana.
Okay.
My father is from Chebi, from the Ofori-Attas.
Okay.
So I'm an Ofori-Atta. I was born in Ghana, I was born in Accra, but my mother is from the Gambia. And so when I was a very little girl, about 3 years old, my mom went back to the Gambia with myself and my sister. So I didn't learn Chui, unfortunately.
You know your place is the one, the president.
Yes, I know Chebi.
It's from your
I discovered Chebi about...
To the president.
I know. His mom is my father's cousin.
Oh.
And I only discovered Chebi 2 years ago. I went to Chebi for the first time. I couldn't believe it. Amazing. So I'm very, very proud of my heritage.
Okay.
I was like, and I went to a festival, I saw all these kings, all these drums. I'd never seen anything like that. That pomp, that ceremony, that royalty, that power, that beauty, that glory. I was like, how is it that they want us to not to say that African culture is backward? This is amazing. So I'm very, very proud of it. Very pleased that I honor my Ghanaian roots. I am 100% Ghanaian, just that I can't speak the language, but I honor the roots.
But you understand to say?
Yeah. But yeah.
Yo, Abusafo, this is the end. I near the Mubesi. Bomadiana, Koswa, Julie Juu Tv. Subscribe to the channel, no? Like, share, now we have my comment. Then boost me immune system, no? Then say goodbye to the people. Bye. Now, the place we are now, can you imagine? Could you adopt? My dear, tell us your name and explain that word to people that are watching us.
Okay. My name is Grace Gomez and I work.
Look at them here.
My name is Grace Gomez and I'm from PACT, that stands for Parents and Children Together, and we are a voluntary adoption agency and we recruit and prepare people to adopt the children who are in care.
How can you adopt? Because I'm interested. I want to know more. And in fact, I want to adopt. I want you to tell me how you can get it, the process.
All right.
Yes,
So
tell people the process.
I think adoption has a reputation of having a tough and long process, but actually the process from start to finish is 6 months. So you can adopt, you need to be over 21, you need to live in the UK, you must have a spare room for the child that you're going to adopt, and that's about it really. So people think there are lots of rules and regulations, but you must be over 21 and you need to live in the UK. You can adopt if you're single, if you're in couple, if you have faith or none. So we welcome people, particularly people who are from the Black and African Caribbean, because Black children left in the care system longer, unfortunately, and there are more of them.
Any amount to be paid?
No.
Any amount to be paid before you can adopt?
Oh no! The whole process is free. The only thing you'll be asked to pay for is a medical, and that depends on what your doctor charges you for that. But the whole process from start to finish is free, and PACT support you through the whole process. They get you ready. They take you through the adoption process, take you to panel, and then we help you to when it comes to matching the children who are waiting for their homes.
Okay, can I adopt any child, like black or white, boy or girl? Can I adopt any child?
Yes, you can, but at PACT we try to make sure that the children are placed in homes that they can match with visually, culturally and emotionally. So Black children make up 5% of the UK population, and yet they account for 7% of the children in care, so they're overrepresented in the care system.
Okay.
And of those children, only 2% of them go on to be adopted. So we need more people who are Black African, Black Caribbean to come forward and adopt those children who are waiting.
Yeah, I understand you, but I just want to know, okay, if I can adopt only Black child,
No,
is that correct?
not
That
necessarily.
one I want
No,
to
that's
know.
no.
But
But
you can adopt any
that's
child.
right. But they try to place children in the homes that they look like, the same culture and the same ethnicity.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm really, really impressed and happy to hear this,
Yeah.
because people know that it's very difficult and hard
Yeah.
to adopt in the UK here.
Yeah, that's what people think, but it actually isn't. People think it's very difficult and a long process, but the adoption process is 6 months from start to finish, and PACT are on hand to support you with it. So it's not a difficult process, but that's what people think. We have lots of Black families who adopt, and most people have the qualities to be a good parent. So don't let that put you off.
Fantastic. Okay, can you tell us your address, your telephone number,
Yep.
the place, if I want to come?
That's right.
Yeah, your place.
Yeah, so we're PACT, and you can find us online, pactcharity.org, and we're on all the social media. So if you go to the website, www.pactcharity.org, there's lots of information there. And we have online information events, so you can tune in online and find out all about the process and hear from somebody who's been through it. So it's really important that people who are in our community, we need to come forward.
Do you have the age limit?
No, there is no upper age limit. You need to be over 21 and that's it.
No. That what the parents understand, but the children.
No, so
You have the age limit. I
see.
take it to my house.
No, but the children are all ages, but unfortunately once children get to 6 or 7, it's more likely they won't be adopted. So we'd like to find homes for them earlier, before they get too old.
Oh.
So if you've already got birth children you can adopt, well, that doesn't stop you.
My dear, I want to adopt. In fact, I need one. I need one girl.
Yeah. Yeah.
I need one girl, sweetheart. I'm not joking.
So seriously, so come to PAX. I'll give you some information, and it would be wonderful if you did.
I will take more information from
definitely.
you so that I can adopt one. I want to be example to the black community there, and so that they will also come forward after me. Then they come and adopt. Okay.
That's right, yeah.
I want you to, if you want, do you have more to tell or it's okay?
That's it really. So just to say that, it's not long and difficult and it's really, really rewarding. And we need black people to come forward.
Let me just explain a little bit in my language to people, okay? I wish you for me say, na me minim se krom ha se wo adopt akwala enye easy o na minim se ebe ye hard ama o se wo benya obi ba akwala adopt no but say ye easy and na o kan no wo say wo mo won kwala bebre e wo care homes a wo mo pe awofo ama mo abe adopt nkwala no na wa fa akwala no kra ma akwala na ya wo dia enti bomodin say one telephone number ni one address ni one bibia de betu dwa no se we ope akwala bi adopt na won so betu anama na wakọ mo website ho na also information bia na ope no won so wakọ akofa na se eye easy say wo betimi adopt akwala bi a ope e wo UK ha say that me feel say eye den eye hard say untumi nye but I say eye easy to get it nti abusuafo ya damase bebre ahaya na Julie Juu TV yedi mo besi me nuanom ne adofo yeda so a e wo Black History Month someone you can Black History dia na mo amonim de pese e kire mo Black History no enye Ghana fo nko ye ne abrofo ne abibifo nyina na ye ahua bom sadre ya ba ye nua ba yi ne ye nua ba men so shop a wo mo ton malt enti me pese eno so wo mo kirekire mo kakra e ma ye hu wo mo ama mbisa me mfa bi ntwimi minim me de bi betwimi minim me hu sade ne dete na me ye hu de da matumi aye ne mo maame ye ma kwa baba Julie Juu TV so
me da se
kamoti hu asem na ye hu ne a eko okay che me pese me ja floor ne ma wo na me testi ade nto de kan ye obeso kafa malt hu bia kafa ho ne nko
mate ultimate no crafty Belgium and nutrients will very rich in vitamin B's nina sugar content no so that and shada nye gidi bia into enu betimi anom no chilled and say hot and honey hot sani apeni bia ya wono in bottle say ni ya wono in can ne bo so ya fufu cartons no un say ya woni a ehwemo 6 wa ha say and on £5 per ne boy nye den
yeah £5
yeah £5 yeah pan sana we no open carton say ya e wo mu 24 no so ye £15 say auto free e ho no mu say ya sana obenya no aside that no African shops bia so a ebi wo ho say wo ye program party and ye naming ceremony bibi bia bia wo pese wonye bia no timi de serve wa hoho wo de frɛ wobetimi afrɛ yɛn ɛwɔ your number is 07576141470 07576141470 wo frɛ yɛn a bebi a wo bia yɛbɛba be deliver ma ɛyɛ free yɛn je delivery fee bia yɛbɛ deliver no free ɛde ama
okay na mo address bi so in case say bia anase mo hia anase
hia we bia baby a wo bia no ye van no ho ye van no ye
na chesa mo wo van a obi pedodo obi ope bia mo bakwa ko
tu sen
ko deliver ma no
ye be deliver dia bro o hye hefa wo UK and Ireland na yin ko a ye de beba
adofo so mate we de me a mi di bi atwi mi nim e de papa e ka papa e ye kama
alcohol bia so
alcohol nim some amonim say malt the alcohol nim enti Ghana for your party ye wedding birthday party na ye no but modern friend number na oboy no so wo ya obeba be deliver wo ye o party na wo friend number na obeba be deliver drinks no do bia wo pe e dia be gu fie wo ha ho kra no on the car akwa enti no Minuaba. Yeah, there was who will be able to be.
Oh, you can say, more support a black business. A muhiapa, Nissan, a bassa mobana muhia more before events being Yamabia, so meeting me so abwa. Aha, okay, Miss Ape, who did your love? Fufu Bibia, don't forget.
What do you mean the boss?
Fetchy Faso area, come up.
Oh, Fetchy Faso. Oh, good. Hello, people. People are watching Julie Juu Tv. We are still in Black History Month. We are here with my policeman. I want him to mention his name and tell us the reason why police are here. Because people are afraid of police. So I want him to explain something small for us. Okay, sweetheart, take it.
So I am Sergeant Colin Prickett, Thames Valley Police. We are currently here in Centre MK representing Black History Month and also to promote our race action plan, which is ultimately where we want to remove barriers between the police and the Black African communities.
Okay.
So that we can have people from Black African and minority groups to approach us and feel comfortable approaching us.
All right.
And so that they then have a voice. We would like more Black and ethnic minorities to join the police so that the police can be more representative of its community and so that that community can have a voice and feel like they're heard more amongst the police.
Okay.
I think it's important that we all understand each other's cultures.
All right.
And that we're representative of the communities that we serve and that those communities feel like they are being heard.
Okay, that's fantastic. So from now, if people see police, they shouldn't be afraid of you, they shouldn't run away. If we have problem, we have to come to you, innit?
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously, we want people to come to us. We want people to approach us and talk to us about their concerns, their fears, and what they want us to help them with. And then together, we can work together and we can hopefully tackle the issues that are there in the communities and help properly.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Do you have more to say?
No, I think that's, unless you've got more questions.
Oh no, I think all my questions. I think I'm done now because what I want to know is, when people see police, we run. We don't want to come closer to police. We want to give gap to the police. So now it's good that you are explaining that you want to remove that barriers on the.
What would you feel would remove the barrier from yourself?
Yeah.
How do you feel that we could be better as police for you to feel like you can approach us more?
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. This is Julie Juu TV on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Thank you very much. Thank you. All right. I'm Julie Juu TV. So you can see Julie Juu TV. About more than subscribe to your channel, no. Like, share we are my comment. Me say we yes sir, me de. Emma me more vim. Emma me moral. Ne boost me immune system, no. Ama me ma holding dada aye program for Friday, bro. And then there you were Milton Keynes market. One more year Black History Month. Say Black History, dear. What would you say? You before your history. And what's some and a year can. Ain't it and yansam get to a cry. Nasabre, you will mean your papa peppy, ewaha. I want to watch us over your gun and I of free Ghana. And untino, and yama war tono. Ye babbage or babbage and what behind the room. I'm a war will shame me. What would say? Once you say we hear beer, what contateno, now what pebiato. Many are by a more about Julie Juu TV so.
Made you so.
Now we did the same. What we did say at the four.
Me pacho, menu and more Milton Keynes. And the whole of UK make a cranya Milton Keynes and Kwa. Ye friend me Maria Alpha. Na me wa Milton Keynes.
Now a brother now was said so about Tony maybe say menu about.
Oh, Miss Yasi and I'm say from 2016 and I missed that here.
Ushasia no Ushasia Obeton Batacarino, Sanya Usati Batacarino, Kwana, Usati Bibi, and Sana Ube say.
Okay, Mr. Tieno. Na me run a restaurant, me turn eduane.
Come on.
Yes, na. Mr. T say me turn eduane. A bedroom baby a COVID time buy no. Na ma jai mantiman ye eduane no restaurant ni bio.
Okay.
And I am be a my dream be say Obinimu wo hoso a omuti ho na omo nye eduane endi omo ntimi nnua aduane. And I me koye ni ti say ma ye ni ti say community work. Community work no me boa community no ye to say cafe our fisherman Trinity Center enti de na ye ni say ye nua aduane no na amanfo aba inside say see no enkoye to say a personal business but because of a community ninti no aduane ne ye fofofo £1.50 kura wo ba wo benye breakfast papa bi edi na tea and coffee there e free because your person man for ebe back together said your omuntina fie ama omuninji into the ye no and answer na medi eniama yesu aka ho na neno a special day emma ye say before your friend is say Black History Month na exhibition na nasi na ye was a sia and I mean we buy a me ba beka ehu asameka kire no na wo hwe shop fefefe wo wichia a wo hu na a shop ni di Bolgatanga Market. Bolgatanga Market, they ope bia no benya. Patakeri papa B, Fugu papa B, Bags papa B. Ediana wopa wonya. You Northern Kente, your friend Northern Kente. There esha me be different types. Ebi woho. Ebuano si fo. And nam say. Ye community jimantino. Bibia ye no. And ye for profit. Yes, I event bio. Last week you say African Day. It was so wonderful. I'm for mobile and then some kitwa. Into one tea and car from ene woo video na woo de akosona. Menua hwehwe ye kire kwan na wo be hu ye na woni beji. Wo ba ye breakfast kura na ena esi ho no. Wo be hu ejima ye nyina ye support.
Okay, me nuaba aye kita. My uncle from kakra. Uncle from a ebe family umi enu nyina ka.
Mati.
Me bi sa wasem. Sa wo se na mo ye breakfast ni ade. E wo Fisherman
Trinity Center.
What that so ye anansa mo agya.
Ye da so ye meka sesia no. Ene me wo ha but me partners no wo ho sesia. Ye no Monday no ye breakfast English full breakfast. Tuesday no ye friend lunch. Na lunch ni wo ba. Ye see wachi papa bi. Say not na there. Untimi mbitie with wache wo. Wache papa bi.
Ene mo na mo nantwi nam na matia ma na ye gase.
Yes. Tilapia papa bi. Enya sam kitwa. Stew no so wonim. No de na stew. What the show 1 year kura na enseda. Eye stew papa bi.
Oh, okay.
And a Saturday so the same thing. Say see America no. Yet you are live or honor. Na wonim. Wonye wache wo baby a wo benya ne £3. Ye wache no wo de bra. Ye ka £3 na wonhu ba wo be ka am say ewiase nyina wo be fra wo mama wa ba.
In fact asema wo ka maintain that ntimi pesa wo gusu abo ho bianu menim say wo ye bibisa e wo
Fisherman. Yes, Trinity Center.
Trinity Center ho.
Yes.
Enti eye debia from Monday to Sunday and amoye anamo days ni bia moye yimu amode yes.
Thank you Miniaba. Breakfast no Monday ye be from 10 to 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Tuesday lunch ye be from 12 to 3 p.m.
Okay.
And on Wednesday ye start be from breakfast from 10 to 1. And Saturday ye be from 12 to 6 p.m.
Not just a time I will so idea. Obiaba was so baby and dia. Obenya biadi.
And I make an na at times Obinutimi walk in a community jimentino. Wouldn't here young share was sama wonko. Still yet to me bow. Na tea and coffee dear. What to me noom the whole day prana yen jiwo £1.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Yes.
Okay. Ain't no, they say you're real home. Ain't sa oniema we so ehefo ba na woton no Milton Keynes market and say and also come ayi wona wo de community wa go.
Yes, Milton no market. Say dem can say community jima na meye no.
Okay.
Ye di ye so case ye ton so To say the African Day, say no omoba who Africa for. Omoba who say Northerners, Ntalia, Enyama, yes, no. Okay. Into the one say, ye ni shop, but woba, Trinity wa, wobenye biato, or hone biwo. Into your showcase all the time.
And just a while we are enough.
We are not now.
Oh, no, why are you so big showcase? In fact, Ghana, they were you. Papa, be a grobia, one papa.
Now, me can not, I'll be say north from me free upper east. Ne grow me free pano, Zebila. Zebila, ye between Boku and Bolga, or Hona me free.
Okay, so be per se. One tadia come and you beat, see, no near maybe Opebia. The person would show what you coin said any panic could be obey who were you coin. Oh, telephone number or address and now be any panel.
Yes, Nipano opese obehumia. My telephone number is 078082888419. And I'm address to
telephone number.
Mr. Bosubio 070802
Okay.
Yes. Ina o person obeba baby e me won so at Trinity Center. Em so obi a what Milton Keynes ha nyina. Wonim Trinity Center. Trinity Center. Our fisherman. Yes. And you're just opposite next door to Corp or Hona Yawo.
Okay. She say obi e pe bibia o pe woni aman bia. One walking in Emra Fisherman Trinity Center.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Julie Juu Tv. Yeah, they assemble. Ahaya and Julie Juu TV. Yeah, the mobesi. Yes, promote and subscribe to your channel no our YouTube. Follow Julie Juu TV our Facebook. Follow Julie Juu TV our TikTok, Instagram. So Julie Juu TV. Ahaya near day adofo ebesi. And yeah, mama bye, mama bye bye. Bye. Adofo amosha Julie Juu TV. Say there ya make me say who show Julie Juu TV. One more dear subscribe to your channel no. Like it no share we ya my comment. Me see we yes I me the e ma me more film. E ma me more run e boost me immune system no. Ama me ma ho den dada. Ayo program for e dey bro. E heaven here we here Milton Keynes market. And e Black History Day. Hi. Yeah, women you about I'm in the Baba Chuchukomo. I say most of the people are not Ghanaians, so we will speak English. Hello, my darling.
Hello.
Welcome to Julie Juu TV.
Thank you.
What's your name, darling?
My name is Zandi.
Zandi?
Yes.
People are watching you. I want you to look here.
Okay. Yeah.
Zandi.
Hello.
Where do you come from?
I come from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Have you lived in Milton Keynes here?
I live in Milton Keynes. I've been in Milton Keynes for about 14 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
When did you start doing this business?
About 3 years ago. Just after COVID, I started my business. Started from home.
Hey, after COVID. That COVID brings a lot of things. So if you ask somebody, say after COVID. Okay. Before COVID, what job were you doing?
I was working in IT.
You was?
IT. Yeah.
Then after the COVID, you decided to do this?
Well, this was started during COVID. I still do IT, but I do this as a side hustle. So I print.
Look.
Printing these. I do the hoodies. I do cups. I do key rings. I do earrings. I do a lot. Yeah.
Relax and you know what? People are coming to buy.
Yeah.
So don't just just show people what you have. Yeah. You have this one.
These are tumblers. Right. They carry hot and cold drinks. So you want to put your beer, you want to put your gin and tonic, you want to put your water, you can use that. You want to put your tea, you want to put your coffee, you can use this.
Wow, this is nice.
Yeah, and you get it with a straw.
Okay,
yeah. And then I do the cups. I do the printed cups. So I can put anything you want on the cup. This one's got Mandela.
So you print it yourself?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
And there's a little story at the back,
about Mandela,
what he did, Yes.
And then what again?
I do the things with the country, Africa map.
Africa map?
Yes. I do Bumper sticker for the car.
Okay, this one for the car.
I do mirrors.
Okay.
Yes. I do key holders.
Key holder. This key holder is
yes. And then we do the earrings.
Come closer to me. Otherwise,
I was showing.
To the camera.
I was showing. Like,
okay.
Yes.
Okay, and you do this one.
These
too?
are the earrings. Yes, I do them too.
Okay.
Yes.
That is fantastic.
Yes.
If somebody want to buy some from you,
yeah.
Where did the person will get you?
They will find. They can find me at www.ijamela.co.uk. My details are on there.
Don't worry, you give it to me. I will put it there for you. But I just want you to tell people because some people who are not.
So I have a website, right? You can buy from. I have a Facebook page with the same name. I have Instagram with the same name.
The same what?
The same name. Ijamela.
Tell them the name.
Ijamela Creations. Right. So I have a Facebook Ijamela Creations. Instagram is Ijamela Creations. TikTok Ijamela Creations. And I have a website www.ijamela.co.uk.
Okay. So you sell it online. You don't have shop, but you sell. If somebody wanted, the person will go to Facebook, TikTok, or whatever to go and buy it.
It's an online business, and
it's okay. That one I want people to know.
Yes, an online business only, and then obviously we do a lot of the pop-ups as and when they come, but it's online, no physical shop.
Okay. So if you don't want your number to. Do you want to tell people your number if somebody wants to call you for bug or you don't want it?
No, and they can find me on the social media.
You don't want anybody to disturb you, innit?
They disturb you for wrong purpose.
Okay. I want you to say hello to your fans, your customers, your family in Africa here. Greet them. I want you to say hello to them and tell people if they want it. You are ready for them. If they want bulk, you are ready for them. Some people, if they are, some people can come for marriages, marriage. Somebody want to, in Africa, in Ghana, when you're doing like engagement for marriage.
I understand what you mean. Yeah, we personalize.
For you,
yes.
For this one,
for weddings. For weddings. Yeah.
So I want you to tell people that if they want a lot, you can do it for them. You understand?
Yeah.
That one I want you to. I want you to tell people that in case your marriages and whatever, birthday parties, if they want plenty, they can contact you on Facebook. I want you to tell people if you are ready for that.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Hi again everyone. I'm Zandi from Ijamela Creations, and I'm here promoting my business. My business is a personalized print and gift business. So whatever you want printed on something, I can print on it. I can do your designs for you, or you can bring a design that I can do. We cater for families, birthday parties, weddings, children's gifts, adults gifts, funeral gifts, anything that you feel you want to represent your family and that can be put on a piece of print, I can do it. Please contact me on Ijamela Creations. I'm found on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thank you.
Minianom ni adofo a mo hwe Julie Juu Tv. Say the abrani na ya me ne mo kan. Me say wo hwe Julie Juu TV a. Bo modern subscribe to your channel no. Like na say wo wia no wa ma comment. Me say wo yesa e Julie Juu dai. E ma Julie Juu mo film. E ma mi moral. Na boost me immune system no. Ama ma hoden dada. Aye interview foforo e de abrao. Ama wanya bi ahwe. Sabre yeda ewo Black History Month. Yeda soa wo Milton Keynes market. Na yaba me nua be ma papa bi nchen. Aye ne baba twetwe nkomo. Na dia ono so wo no. Wo dia bre adofo, ama adofo mo nso so mo hu nia ekoso wa ha. Me nua be ma ye ma akwa baba Julie Juu TV so.
Me nua ba ye so. Why? Julie Juu TV number 1. Number 1.
Mo hu sa. Na wo din de say.
Wo din. Ye frame kwabena.
One crown kwabena. Kwabena chire wo kaka ma manfo hu nipa e.
Patre frame kwabena mponsa. Me free London.
Okay.
So me na me yes an me wa ha ina. Apart from Ghana funny, ye di free Ghana na eba. Ye ma we ina me na me ye.
Kwabena ebrebe na wo ye wa dwen say wo be yes business we. Obi ya also me after COVID na me me started business we obi ya also na me warehouse after warehouse no na me bobo scan one na me so me yes me business obi so ya also oh me dia na me what talent dey that me rock from and am here imagine say me so me yes business no wo dey ebrebe na you wadwin say obey business be say
me knew about way niama way na graphic design so by graphic design me sua for 10 years.
Okay.
But during the time of COVID, you know, and me don't see na near TV and obi our time. So and I'm saying I was a graphic designer, me the baby, and I'm starting some t-shirts.
Okay.
And I'm starting some bag, starting some printing yama good chessel.
Okay.
Tiwa COVID na na started.
Hey, not just a brand COVID, sister COVID, uncle COVID. I was a penny COVID, or Baba Walk or boy, and answer my boy because most now almost a COVID, no. After COVID, almost started somewhere, or more Juma. Ain't COVID, what you're doing for Kumfa now, but boy, and now I'm a boy.
Me knew about COVID, I had drink. I was here, I had drink. But I know so boy. So, ye na yeti ho na niama we na shemu yetimi mfanya hwe but because of COVID inti yetimi ebie shop yetimi ebie online store to say ye printed t-shirt ma asofo for any sorry for baby so inti COVID no e de aboye so
na ebra na COVID ne ma adwuma be na we ye
pacho me social work manager me a social worker.
Okay, so what does your social worker do?
I'm a part-time, yeah. Still here.
So when we are a part-time job.
But my employee nipa mienu.
Okay.
And your studio, every day be a printed t-shirt every day. To say me a social worker and na me employees and also studio. No more yeah all the printing am I.
Oh, okay. It's not just now printed t-shirt and any other one perform more Juma so I'm about printed t-shirt no. Until all the okwa Juma and one order obema. Not just obeba no now more printed go on homete. Okay. A him for pani him for. And I said that almost pep unibia t-shirt in Ibia who said that printing my omo. And I say what's all printed tone 1-1. Once or be all because oh churches Ibia. Because I say, oh yeah, Juma, anyway, churches pa almost frame me to me and a book my and now individual I am a Benjamin says to be a baby because it's also our plan for your book anything can happen. The person will catch amount for sanity.
Many about your studio honey, you bet me up print up to 1,000 t-shirts a day. Enti sorry for baby or mu place order. Almost every other day, you order from Ghana for, Nigeria for, all the African churches, equal for, and you print t-shirts to some a secondary school, any primary school. Say by end of term now, almost friend a leavers t-shirt and I say leavers hoodie. Into your printing baby, Emma school for baby, into others in India, every baby baby neighbor.
Oh, okay. Matthias, that means I do man who bought baby out the fact.
And one
okay. The person who can't be a can, you know, what kind of brothel? Now, man for a brothel, so yeah, almost to be biased.
Mate.
So almost here be a woman who said, tell everyone say I call address.
Mate, okay. So the name of the company is called Silenf Designs. I've been studying graphic design for over 10 years, but during the pandemic, we all had a lot of time in our hands. So I decided to put my graphic design skills into good use. So I built up a studio at home, bought the machines, so we don't outsource any of our work. When we get the designs, we have all the printers at home, so we do all the printing, we do all the designing from in-house. So we cater for all different companies. We cater for so many Christian groups. We cater for events groups. We cater for schools. So we provide services to anybody who needs t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies.
Who can address? Obi watch the coin, so be shushawa. Baby, I'll be. Okay.
Okay, Pacho Semu here, your Etsy store. Yeah, shop address here, silemfdesigns.etsy.com. And also bet me find you on social media at Silemf Designs. Silemf Designs here, SILENFDESIGNS. Silemf Designs.
Okay. She say obi here online obenya obe contact you.
Me pa try.
Telephone number bia
me pa yeah very busy until at the moment and you issue telephone number to be bia or online.
One person I had a for Yadaswa our Black History Month. Yadaswa word of one chain. I send your echo no ya person who near echo so I was saying. Ain't no sabre yaba minu abema so a shop. I also person near my or no so or ma adofo ehun near echo so. Hello, welcome to Julie Juu Tv, my dear.
Hi, thank you for having me.
What is your name?
So my name is Lanre.
From where?
I'm originally from Nigeria.
Oh, okay. Why are you here?
Why am I here? Literally, I'm here to showcase my business. It's called One World. And what we do is we try to address race relations and mental health by blending education with mindfulness. So what we do is we have various products. For example, we have a culture coloring book where you get to learn about all the countries in Africa, and then you also get to color. So when you learn, that sort of helps with the cultural. It sort of raises the awareness of the similarities across cultures. I mean, obviously there are differences, but we're trying to provide information where you can basically appreciate the various cultures, and then we also want to inspire you and motivate you to not just read but also to travel to these places, which obviously helps with cultural diversity, and then also as well, so you could learn and then you can also color. So you learn about every country in Africa, and then you also get to color, which obviously helps with your mental health. So that's our focus.
The whole Africa is in the book.
Literally all 54 countries in Africa are in this book.
All African countries?
Yes.
Really?
Much, yes.
Oh, okay.
So yeah.
Okay, another one. Okay, what about this one?
So this book is actually for kids, and it's actually showcasing the West African countries.
Okay.
So you get to learn about. So kids get to learn about every West African country, and the similarities basically across the cultures in the UK.
Okay.
And in the individual countries, but they also get to learn certain words from every language in the respective countries. So, for example, in Nigeria, they get to learn a word in Yoruba. In Ghana, they get to learn a word in tree. Tree, sorry. And then they also get to color as well.
So you did it, or you buy it from somewhere and sell it?
Oh no, we actually designed it. So
You designed it?
Yes,
we
we definitely created it. And we are here to obviously showcase the products.
Wow.
Yes.
You designed it?
Yes, we did. Yeah, every single one of them. I mean, you also have a Commonwealth book as well. So these are the countries in the Commonwealth.
Okay.
And obviously, basically, as you know, we have Nigeria, we also have Ghana in the Commonwealth as well. So yeah, they're all there. So you get to learn about the Commonwealth, all 56 countries. So that's the African countries that are part of the Commonwealth. So you get to learn about.
This Kente is from Ghana.
Of course it is. Hey, I mean, yes, I am Nigerian, but I also love Ghana as well. You know
yeah, it's nice. It's wow, this is our culture dress. It's nice, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Yeah, and then you obviously get to learn some fun facts, basically about each country, and then you also get to color. So this is the shape of the country, Gabon, and then you've got coloring patterns. So you get to learn, get a color. So yeah.
Okay, so if somebody want to get one of this,
yes,
where can the person can get it from?
Of course, so they can go to the website. So that's www.oneworld.co.uk. But the L in world is the number 1. So yes, www.oneworld.co.uk. .co.uk. But remember, the L in world is one.
It's one. We will put it there for
you.
Them
Will. Okay, awesome. Thank you very much. Really appreciate it.
Any social media handles?
Social media, yes. Instagram, it's One World Limited.
Okay.
So yes, but I would imagine you would also put that on for us as well.
Okay.
But yes,
so
Instagram and website. Yeah.
If somebody wants some, only place you can get it, Instagram and your website.
Yes, it is. Yes.
Fantastic. Okay. I want you to say hello to your people home and here.
Okay.
Home.
Home. Okay. Home is yes.
So if you say abroad, it's Africa.
Yes.
So you can here and abroad.
Okay. I don't know what would you like.
Your friends,
my
your
friends.
Family,
Okay.
Greet them. Your mommy. Hello, my mommy. I love you. I miss you.
She already knows that, but yes. Mama, I love you. And obviously my friends and family, they obviously all support me, so that's amazing. And we are just here to show that we are all more alike than we are unalike, and we can all get along, whether you're white or black, or you're from Ghana or you're from Nigeria, with the best jollof rice, of course. But yes.
Yeah, Bushanfo said the more money more. Julie Juu TV, that's what Black History Month. Na ya beto ye chuchomucho for. When him say Julie Juu TV, ya ko baby na pay angel for her. Ye nkwati omo. Pay angel, omo ya de kra me na me ambassador for pay angel. Omo koso ba fam. Me and me pay angel ambassador. Say ya ba me nua ba ho. Ye ne ba betwetwe nkomo kakra bi na fe ya to aso. Na eniama papa pay angel for wom edemaye no. O ka me bi kakra edemaye. Ma me ma kwa baba Julie Juu TV so.
Yeah.
Na odo ye wo. Ho te say.
Yankopado mu.
Odo bo di tra manfo na eniama papa pay angel wo no. Fatu dwa na manfo ntini enko.
Okay, your friend me Edna. Na many pay angel na ye ejuma. Nsani adodo na amuni no pay angel yesika mane company ma men kan say. Na ye de no ye different as saying other competitors no. Aside say obesani usika akoma wadofo Ghana no. Charges be are enka ho. Rate ni so ye very good. E was sure pa. FA so no nya issue bi so na say upo bi ni na kasa ye run 24/7 customer service into free bia ye wo hwa e beje so na ye de aboa. FA so no yen Ghana for ni take advantage of it. Ye will be wo hwa e friend remote care. Insurance life insurance cover ye de ma wadofo miensa wo Ghana untua hwe. Nya ohia ne say obesani sika £100 or more in a month. Say oyare anase BBC outing be make claim. Will pay angel. Yeah, bedi ho akotine na ya hwe say sika no bibia o claim bibia on sabe ka pepepe. Inti say ope say unhu more about it. Wo dey free. Wo download the app now register. Wo contact us. Wo free, betimi afrɛ yen wo call so betimi send yen WhatsApp and send yen email. Ehun we bia pese yen ma obia no. Ye de be ma face your social media handles near. Pay Angel Money ewo Instagram, ewo TikTok. Uko hwa de nyama bebre gu a betimi akwa akohwe bi sani abetimi ayusu app no ebi wo ho so ayema advice sani abetimi a service kan ya de nyama bebre wo ho Pay Angel ye de mamo nti no mesre se mo be download Pay Angel na mo ayusu Pay Angel so ye Ghana ni na ne dia enye broni bi na ne dia nti mo supporting nti kani ni na san come back to you Ghana ni e de boa or minus ye and I'm rate no so was fine. FA so no so wo kromu ha na so business bi so wo Ghana and na so wo Ghana na so wo business bi a wo customers e wo kromu ha US Canada ni we ya ye will be o ha friend no D2MR and no send this can go direct into the Pakron bank account business ni bank account emfa ni say o ma me yare and na say bi a papa yare Nye fe na this ka be ma simesi no wasend the akofie amount. Okay. Wasend the akotua efe na akoye kasa bebre. Ubetimi atua directly akọ hospital no bank account ni. A wa be hu receipt ubetimi dey atua school fees ni ade. Nti Pay Angel ni enye remittance company. We are into payments. Ye ni na bi. Nti o dey frɛ ni enimu ndi nkom. Uzi no. Somatu
Pay angel for the any my papa pay angel.
Obia say.
Many anom ne adofo abusha Julie Juu TV. Ye da so a wo Black History Month. Ye da so a wase. Na menemu aka minim se product we mo amosha Julie Juu TV mo nim dada. Se eyeyenya ye nuaba. Yenya ye krom Ghana ensa ye nsa fufuo no. E na omode ayesa ensa we say. Enti de bia ye kasa ade papa wo fie a oye sabre ya ba me nua ba ne nchen ye ba be nini betwetwe nkomo na wakyere ye ade kode a me se ya ba no ene ye de ye ba mbe so onka bibi fa ho na wo ye Ghana ni na wo kosia ensa we e wo party bi ase wedding bi ase a wo so wa ye proud to be a Ghanaian me nua ba ye ma wakwa baba Julie Juu TV so you're welcome to Julie Juu TV.
Thank you.
Do you understand what I just said?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I want you to mention your name and explain this drink to the people they are watching me and you. Take it.
Okay, my name is Priscilla Naile. I brought Afro Palm Spirit from Ghana. We brought it to the UK. This is our own traditional drink. This is our kweteshi. This is what I will drink from the coast. It's distilled in Ghana. We import it to the UK. And our vision is to make sure that we're on the shelves, just like vodka is to the Russians, tequila is to the Mexicans. This is our West African spirit. And we want everybody to patronize it, to support us. We're willing to come to you if you have a wedding or a party. You can also buy online on Amazon or on Coastline Spirits.
Can you believe it that this drink is manufactured from Ghana? Our own abe. Apetese. Benua. And now Omodiaya drink we yo. Can you imagine? Made in Ghana drink. Can you believe it? Yes, it's true. This drink is from Ghana. Okay, my sister, I want you to tell people if you are doing wedding, party, adoring, whatever, tell them to come and buy this drink. I want you to tell them. You understand?
Yes, I do.
Just want you to explain it to them that now you tell us everything, but I want you to tell them when somebody is doing wedding, adoring, party, you want them to come and buy this drink. If you see that is palm spirit. Palm spirit. Can you imagine? Made in Ghana. In fact, if you see something like this, you'll be like me. I'm proud to be a Ghanaian because of this. Sweetheart, let's go.
Yeah, so I was going to say in Ghana, the little Ghana I know, often near here, nearby, Chingobaba, or near Keo Fair Outdooring, Wagba, Keo Wakpe Ole, Wababa, no Fiano Neo Wafe, Wababa.
She's a Ghanaian British. They born her here, Ghanaian British. You know, our children, if they born them here, it's very hard for them to speak their language. That is why she flows. You see the way she's speaking English. It's different between me and her. It shows that she's a British, British born. By me, I'm born in Ghana. So my English is Ghana English, Africa English.
Thank you.